I'm done getting ready. I'm gonna head out of the house now because I'm running late. I probably want to go get some coffee first because I need coffee desperately. So first things first, I usually switch on the TVs when I reach, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Cut them up. Time to eat because I'm actually starving this morning. So I'm at work, got my coffee. I got some vanilla flavored creamy latte. I'm not sure if I've tried this flavor before because I usually get coconut latte. I hope it's nice. I'm actually just filming on my iPhone because I figured it's just easier, and honestly whenever I film on my camera I just never get around completing the vlog, and it's always something extra to carry around, and by the time I get it out of my bag and film, I probably already finished doing whatever I intended to shoot in the first place. So I have decided that I'm just gonna use my phone, and if I'm at home and I have the time, then I'll use the camera and do a more bougie setup. But when I'm out and about, I think my iPhone works and the quality is pretty decent. Also, I've been in a massive rut and my motivation has been really low, and that's one of the main reasons why I have been MIA and I haven't been filming much and posting much on YouTube and many of my socials, in fact, because I've been in such a bad rut. And honestly, being in a rut is not entirely bad. You cannot be 100% highly motivated for 365 days, and you need to actually have that break in between in order to be productive when you are at your highest, so that when you're at the lowest, you're not really missing out on too much. I don't know if I make any sense, but that's just what I play in my head whenever I'm in a rut, and I'm trying to get out of it. So yeah, today's Monday, by the way. I've got I think one influencer coming in today, so I have to help her shoot some content, and I have some stuff that I need to finish up because obviously it's going to be the end of the month, which means a lot of reports and stats that I need to come up with. So that's the most boring part of my job, because honestly I'd rather be doing like content creation and stuff like that, but this boring stuff is necessary because it's one of the most important parts of identifying what works and what doesn't. So, oh, I actually don't really like this vanilla latte. It's too much for me. I should have just stuck to my OG order and got myself the coconut latte, but this is going to do its job.
The green, the skin pack also.
But we can't see the whole thing. Yeah, we cannot.
Nasi patty, small.
I just ate and I'm super full, so I'm just walking around.
for the tripod.
There's no space for it. This place very small.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So
We do the
face?
yeah. Is it okay that I make on?
Okay.
Must remove. The reader.
Myself some tofu and potato. I'm gonna prep this for my lunch tomorrow, and I'm gonna eat some yogurt with some chickpeas for dinner. So I'm gonna prep the stuff that I need to put in the air fryer first. Here's my dinner. It's actually really good. I'm going to shower and remove all my makeup, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Good morning. I just woke up. I'm making myself some tea, and then I'll start my day. I got myself my OG order, coconut latte. I got the hot one today because the weather outside is going to storm, so I know I'm not going to regret getting the hot one. I'm done with work. I forgot my AirPods, so I'm heading home, and I'm gonna grab my AirPods first and then head to my parents' house. I got myself this pasta for lunch. I can't wait to try it. And then I got myself some coffee. I love this one. Yeah. No.